Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a running water test on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to see how durable this device is against the stream of water falling on it. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this testing purpose, we will use this tab here, and here is our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that does not come with any kind of protection. There is no screen protector, etc. So let's start our test. A bit of water on the side, on the back, on the camera module. So you can see that the screen is responding to the stream of water, but not too much. It happened just once. Again. At the top, at the bottom, on the ports, and you can see now it's responding to the OneDrive personal application. So I think that's more than enough. Let's have a look on our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here. So it is responding to my touches. As you can see, no issue in that, looking pretty smooth. Let's check the camera. So camera is working fine as well. I can switch between the telephoto lens, the regular lens, to the video mode and all. So it seems everything is working fine so far. Here you can see that the water went inside the speaker grill. It's clearly visible in USB Type-C port as well. So let's try this test a bit more. There we go. Once again on the sides, on the back of the device. So you can see I'm putting lots of water on the speaker grill and the USB Type-C port. So of course it's going inside. That's more than enough. Let's have a look on our Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra here. So once again, touch screen sensitivity is perfect, as you can see. No issue in that. Let's have a look once again on the camera. So once again, I can switch between the different camera lenses, different camera modes. No issue with that. Everything is looking fine. As you can see here, if I take a picture, so image processing is happening fast as well. Camera quality is looking good. So no issue to the camera lens. Once again, if you see here, you can see plenty of water inside the USB Type-C port and the speaker grill. Let me shake it a bit, and after that we will check the audio quality of our S25 Ultra here. So let's go to the settings, let's go to the sounds and vibration. lots of bass, as you can see, so speaker quality is pretty solid. Once again, lots of bass that you can listen here, that you can feel. So it seems there is no damage to the speaker. Everything is looking fine. So the performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in this running water test was quite impressive. No issue to the screen, camera or the speakers, especially the audio quality is really solid. Lots of bass that you can feel and listen, and the touch screen sensitivity was always nice, even though when there were some drops of water on the screen, and the camera is performing fine as well. So you do not need to worry about the damage to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra if it goes under the water or you accidentally spill a bit of liquid on it. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.